The 2026 Honda XR200 continues Honda's legacy of building tough, lightweight, and dependable off-road motorcycles. Designed for trail riders, beginners, and experienced enthusiasts alike, the XR200 remains a symbol of simplicity and durability. With modern refinements for 2026, this bike balances classic off-road character with improved performance and reliability, engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda XR200 is a refined single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth and predictable power delivery. The air-cooled setup keeps maintenance simple while delivering strong low-end torque, making it ideal for trail riding and uneven terrain. Throttle response feels controlled and forgiving, allowing riders to tackle climbs, dirt paths, and tight trails with confidence. Design and build quality. The XR200 maintains its traditional off-road design with a slim body, high ground clearance, and lightweight frame. For 2026, the styling feels cleaner and more modern while still respecting its rugged roots. Durable plastics, reinforced components, and a balanced riding position ensure the bike can handle tough conditions without compromising rider comfort, suspension and handling. Built for rough trails, the 2026 Honda XR200 features long travel suspension that absorbs bumps, rocks, and ruts effectively. The suspension setup provides stability at low and medium speeds, making the bike easy to control for new riders while still capable enough for experienced off-road users. Its lightweight nature allows quick direction changes and confident maneuverability. Riding comfort and control. Comfort plays a key role in the XR200's appeal. The upright riding posture, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat reduce fatigue during longer trail sessions. The bike feels balanced and approachable, giving riders a sense of control whether navigating forest trails or open dirt tracks. Fuel efficiency and reliability. One of the strongest points of the 2026 Honda XR200 is its excellent fuel efficiency. The simple engine design ensures long riding hours with minimal fuel consumption. Combined with Honda's reputation for reliability, the XR200 proves to be a dependable companion for riders who value trouble-free ownership. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda XR200 stays true to its off-road heritage by focusing on durability, ease of use, and consistent performance. It may not chase high-end electronics or extreme power figures, but it delivers exactly what trail riders need: a reliable, lightweight, and enjoyable off-road motorcycle built to last.